All right, guys, we got a ton of parts. Just came in the mail today. We're going to go ahead and rip it open, guys. We're going to install a bunch of these parts. Let's see what's in here, guys. Check it out. This is the first time I've ever even seen these, guys. I seen them online. I grabbed them. Somebody made a comment about them that they're kind of beefy heavy. Well, yeah. Let me just weigh up this one. Go ahead, turn on a scale. We're just going to weigh it up in ounces. So check it out, guys. Again, look at that hardware. The hardware is enormous. Let's grab my knife. Look at my knife. And let's get this out of the package. Ooh, there it is. Man, this is going to help save the bottom of that chassis. I cannot wait to get these bad boys put on. Look at that. So nice. Let me grab a forget what you call it, a digital micrometer, and let me show you how thick they are. But before, let's go ahead, weigh it up. All right, guys, this thing weighs 9.8 ounces. Well, my batteries are dead, but I can get a good reading right here. So that's 1, 2, 3. That's like 5 millimeters. All right, let's see what else we got in the box here today. So it looks like we are gonna be back in stock. We already have this installed, guys. This is the 58 tooth, and we have it paired with a 26. So I'm running 58 26. Not sure if we'll get these put on in the video today, but we also have the GPM Titanium Front and Rear shock towers. Looks like we also got the front skid plate as well, along with the rear. Got 4 available as of right now. Alright, so the truck is already a beast. Check that out. Look at that. It's super nice. Guys, I cannot say enough about the quality of the GPM parts. They're just out of this world awesome. But let's check it out. So we're going to go ahead. And this is not even the hardware. This is just the 2 front and the rear skid plates. We're adding just over a pound. But check out the quality. Jeez, these things are super nice, guys. Look at that. Super beefy, super nice. So, along with the rear shock tower, we're going to have 4 front towers available. These are also titanium. Guys, these are part number 5T3.028-0C. Check this out, guys. These are super nice. Oh, man. Look at the quality of that. Titanium. The GPM logo etched in there, lasered in there. You got all your different adjustments right there, all the way down to here. I mean, that's probably a mounting bracket, but you have 4 different shock adjustments. You have 4 different camber adjustments. And then we'll just go ahead and weigh that up. That's 4 ounces, guys. Just 4.4 ounces. Now, I think I got almost all of the parts that GPM had available on their website for the 5.0 or for the 3.0. And here is another one. Guys, this is also titanium. Check out that. Super nice Ackerman bar. Same thickness. Same logo. Titanium. And then you're also going to have, again, you're going to have 2 different adjustments there. Installation on these plates, guys, super simple. All you got to do is just remove the stock hardware. And then go ahead and add the hardware that came with the package. Well, just like the front, guys, go ahead, remove your 6 screws. Look at that, guys. Super nice, super awesome. If we would have had this installed, we would have never had any of these scratches. Look at that. Super awesome part, guys. Super awesome, super beefy titanium. It's a pre-bent. And we got the new hardware. So we'll go ahead and do this. And then also 2 more droop screws. So another shot of these up close. You can adjust them from the top or the bottom. Super nice feature about these. Awesome. Okie dokie. We're back out here. We're going to go ahead and test out these skid plates. And, well, today we're going to be using the J-Concept choppers, my favorite tires. Oh man, this thing is a beast, guys. I forgot how big it is. Holy cow. Oh man, it's so big. Goodness gracious, Lord. It's a little too dusty for this. Definitely a good spot to test out the skid plates, that's for sure. Oh, I can hear them. Let's take this bad boy out here, man. This thing is just a beast. This thing wants to eat. Oh my gosh, you guys. It is so big. So big. We gotta get it out some. We gotta get it where we can run it. Oh man. I don't really like running in this big gravel, but you hear all these rocks? They're just clanking around. Frick, it broke, guys. Huh, that was weird. We're stuck down here. Man, what happened? Alright, I guess we're gonna try to send it right here. Or maybe we should go up on that hill, but first right here, guys. Yeah, we can start right here. Oh, 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 oh! Actually, that's a good jump right there. We're gonna hit that one. Here we go. Oh, hit the rock. Ho, 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 ho! Oh man, I still haven't looked at the skid plates quite yet, but we're going to. This thing is a flyer. Let's see what we got over here. I feel like we got a jump right here. Beast. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we got a jump right here, guys. Oh. Sick! We found a jump! Alright, here we go. Sick! Ho! With these tires, you can kind of control it. Woo! Jeez! Alright guys, we're going to try to get all this dirt out of here. Hopefully we don't have to replace our pinion and our spur. Man, yeah, check it out. So without further ado, let's check out those skid plates. Show the dirt to this side. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Hardly any more damage on the bottom of the chassis. And the skid plates, just, they took it all, guys. I don't think we could have drove this truck out here without these skid plates because it would have taken off the bumper. Guys, definitely put these things to the test. Look at that, guys. Super nice. Definitely recommend, guys. I'll leave a link in the description below too.